What is it?
A toy.
What is it? Dora? Open it up. It's a book.
It's book, Daddy.
Yay.
Give more questions.
Yeah. What is this one? We didn't see that book. What is that?
Open that. Open this.
Open it up.
Open it up.
Uh-oh, battery's dying. Oh, it's just like... Oh, look at that. Now you got ones like the Toy Story one.
Wow.
Cool.
Toys.
We're going to have a big play area now.
Get more toys.
Oh, look at this little
Or that.
desk.
More questions for you. For that.
No, these are all for Zoe.
For Zoe. It's for Zoe.
Here.
I don't open it.
What's in there?
A
A
dress.
j-
A dressy.
Oh.
Yeah.
What is it? It's clothes.
It's close, Daddy.
Wow.
Let me see them.